Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're newly on my YouTube channel, just click the subscribe button and bell notification to get update with the channel. So I'm going to do how to update Windows 10 2019 permanently in new step. So I'm going to delete the file of the Windows 10 in here, copy paste this. I'm going to put in my back. Then after that, we need first download, aside that from this, the zip or WinRAR to extract the file. So I already download this file, WinRAR. So now, and then the Windows 10. So I already extract this into folder. So after now, click the Windows file, activation, then click there. Then right now, let's click the Windows 10 and click yes. My Windows 10 is already activated. So let's check if this Windows if you going to check the Windows status, let's click number 2. You know, my license is already activated permanently. And I click another and click number 1. I'm going to activate our Windows. This activation will be processes by a few minutes or seconds, and for me it already estimated by minute. This process up to you going to first by step is estimated by 2 minutes. It's not too many steps going to do. And now my Windows is already activated. So let's check again. Right now my Windows is activated. Let's check if your Windows are activated. My Windows is ready. Let's click this PC, right click, properties, and now my Windows is activated. I hope you learn about this channel, this tutorial. Before we end up this video, please like and subscribe my channel and bell notification. Let's see you on my next videos all about how to enable to dark mode the Windows 10. See you.